Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are making a recipe that is an ancient Egyptian recipe for oral care. All we need is a piece of lemon, baking soda, and a very good toothpaste. I am using Colgate toothpaste. Okay, this is what the ancient Egyptians used to take care of their mouth. They used it to clean the mouth morning and night. The recipe is very good because it will remove all the kind of sliminess that is in the tongue and keep your mouth fresh all day long. So this is how to make it. You measure a spoonful of baking soda and then juice out lemon about 10 ml. Add to the baking soda and then you also press toothpaste about a spoonful and mix the three together. I tell you the truth, if you have been having issues with your gum, this recipe can take care of it. If you are having issues with maybe you have dental decay, this thing can also remove the plaque on the teeth. And also if you have a mouth odor, this recipe can also clear it off. Now, how does it work? The lemon is known for its antibacterial properties, making sure that your mouth and keeps bacteria away, removes all the food particles between your teeth, clears all the slime off on your tongue, and keep your mouth minty fresh all day long. The baking soda is known for its cleaning effect, remove all the dental plaques and then give you a sparkling white teeth. Okay, now the toothpaste we added to it, of course you know, is with fluoride, keeps the gum strong and healthy, and then all of them work together to make sure that your oral care is perfect. So after mixing it together, you take a toothbrush, use it in the morning and use it at night before you go to bed. I tell you the truth, if you have been having bleeding gum, it's going to cure it, and everything becomes perfect again. So that is the recipe I have for you today. Please like the video, share to your friends, and drop your comment below. If you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank you for your support all the time. This is the unique and healthy recipes. God bless you and see you again.